So as we round out our conversations about Microsoft 365 productivity tools, we've got to show you one of our favorites, OneNote. If you've ever used Evernote or another note-taking software, OneNote is Microsoft's answer to that. So what it is basically is a digital notebook. You guys remember having 5-star notebooks or Trapper Keepers back in school? This is a digital version of that kind of organizational system. So you can have multiple notebooks here, and then inside each notebook, you have different sections, and inside each section, you can have pages. And so that's an easy way to kind of organize your thoughts and your workflow. And this is basically a place that's a blank canvas for you. So you can use it however is, most intuitive for the way that you think and brainstorm. So when you add a page, what you get is literally a blank space. And then you can do with this what you want. Some people like to keep their thoughts organized as a list, an outline, a checklist. So you've got the options to do all of those things in here. You can also attach files, screen grabs, other kinds of things that you might want in here for reference materials later. You can record audio here inside of OneNote. So if you want to make some quick audio notes to yourself, or perhaps grab a quick recording of someone else speaking, maybe you're taking a seminar or something and want to catch something, you've got some options here to record audio. And another option for taking notes, this is one of my favorites, is you can use dictation. So if you are ever on the go between meetings, you need to get some ideas out of your head and onto paper, then you just click this dictation button and you can see that the tool is writing down the words that I say basically in real time. This is an excellent tool for again, when you need to get notes out of your head in a quick manner, and maybe you're a more verbal processor and it's helpful to you to say things out loud. Whenever you're done, you just turn off this dictation button. Beyond this, if you are using a tablet or have a device that allows you to input handwriting, you can use a pencil and write directly inside of OneNote. Your handwriting notes are also searchable. So if you do a search for the word notes up here, then you'll be able to find it throughout your document, again, whether it's written by hand or typed in or even dictated in. A couple of other things you can do inside of OneNote. You can add pictures. You can also add Excel tables. Of course, you will not have as many options for formulas and things here as you would inside of the full version of Excel, but you can insert a table into your notes if that's helpful for you. You can link meeting details here inside of your notes. So if you are maybe taking minutes for a meeting, you can link those meeting details, and so you can have written in there the title of the meeting and the time and date, location, that kind of thing, right here inside of your OneNote. It's also possible to share your notes so that you can collaborate with other people. You can do that by clicking on this share button, and just like you would share a Word document or Excel, this box should look familiar to you by now. So you can type in somebody's name and go ahead and share this with them, and you guys can collaborate together. So if you're working on project planning or a brainstorming session, something like that, you guys can both be collaborating here in this space in real time. So we hope you see some possibilities here for OneNote to help you organize your own thoughts, workflows, brainstorming, and collaboration. Thanks for tuning in.